morning, everybody. I'm Ali Raza Merchant. I'm here with my friends from the IBM. We have 6 students and Professor Jami Moe is with us here. And this is a show in the part of the series of Mentor Entrepreneurs, and I'm here to have a chat with these friends of mine and see as to the questions that they have in terms of what's happening in Pakistan's market and what opportunities they have and how they can explore those.
So for all of us who are interested in marketing and branding, since you had such a vast experience, you worked in an advertising agency and like Laxon and a pharma company, which one do you think is the best for someone who is interested in branding?
It all depends on your interest. I'll be very honest.
If you're interested in creativity.
Creativity is again a very broad term. You can be very creative with a distribution company also. You can be very creative with a company that is selling B2B. So that is a very difficult question to answer, but I think the more important thing is you must be honest with yourself and see where your strengths are. Some people like to do designing, some people like to do copywriting. So if that is the tendency that you have, then maybe advertising is the business that you should get into. Some people like numbers and some people like to know more about it and they're very inquisitive. Maybe they should look at research or market research as an opportunity. There are people who like to go and meet more people and they like to probably be more social. Maybe event management is the business that you should get into. So it all depends, and there's no answer to that question. The answer lies into your own ability. You must be honest, you must look at yourself and you must first analyze what your strengths and interests are, what makes you happy, what turns you on. Sometimes it happens, it's like when you are studying at IBM, there are certain courses that turn it just turn your switch off. You brighten up and you want to really go into class. Sometimes it's because of the teacher, but it's not always about the teacher. The teacher can be a facilitator in that situation. I think the more important thing here is that it triggers some happiness in you. So if let's say you want to be interested in brand management, then there has to be certain traits of brand management that you need to be part of. Maybe the planning part, or maybe the execution part, or maybe something else, putting things together, being more of a generalist, than have the ability to put all those pieces together. So it all depends. But generally it's important to do a self-reflection on this.
You switched over from, you started from pharma and then you switched to textile and then to tobacco. So is this, once you get into the field, then only you actually understand if you want to do it or not. So is this very much possible? Is it hard to switch fields? Yeah.
It all depends. It's not necessarily hard to switch fields, but what happens is because we live in a very structured mindset and HR operates very structured. So HR will, when they are shortlisting, they will prefer that relevant experience is there in that industry. Advertising people might get away with that. If they are willing to appoint somebody with a communication background within a marketing organization, they might prefer an advertising person because they have a communication understanding and knowledge of things. But in other cases, mostly HR is very structured and HR thinks कि यार इसका अगर हमें brand management चाहिए तो brand management specific experience होना चाहिए. अगर हमें कोई trade marketing का person चाहिए तो trade marketing का relevant experience होना चाहिए. थोड़ा सा sales वालों का advantage मिल जाता है कि यार चलो sales वाला trade marketing में fit हो जाता है, vice versa trade marketing वाला sales में fit हो जाता है. लेकिन brand management के साथ कोशिश हमारी आप लोगों की ये होनी चाहिए कि let's say if you are into any marketing company, you must also learn to push your bosses and your HR to give you the opportunity of learning more in one area. So for example, आपने 2 साल brand management spend कर लिए. अगर हमने अपने career को develop करना चाहते हैं तो आप कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि कोई और area भी explore करें. Tell them to give you, an opportunity to sales or distribution or event management or PR or brand communication or research or whatever. Something that will add more value into your experience. विदिन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ये हो सकता है। जब आप एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करें जिसमें सारे फंक्शंस अवेलेबल हैं, and if you can do that, that enriches your experience, gives you a lot of weightage, and learning and knowledge always give you that confidence. So you can go with that confidence and the right combination of things, abilities, chances are that you can succeed.
How important do you think that it is to have an entrepreneurial attitude? Because there are not many, the market is very saturated, we don't have many jobs.
I feel that if at your age you have that entrepreneurial spirit, and if you can take that initial risk, it doesn't have to be a financial risk, but it has to be time risk.
Finances.
Sometimes entrepreneurship is not about money. Sometimes it's about taking a decision and trying it out.
How do you think we can, for example, if we want to start something of our own but we don't have the finances, how do you think we can pursue people to invest in our idea?
You'll have to start small.
Yeah,
and to start small, you probably have to start with family. Somebody in the family has to, but then to make them believe in your idea, you need to think through that idea very well. You need to present that idea very well. You need to do your numbers very well. You need to also have a basic plan in place and tell them how you're going to achieve those numbers. Today, through social media, like for Facebook, people are using Facebook so efficiently. And even companies like Nokia, who are world leaders in cell phones, today have realized that they also need a Nokia Pakistan Facebook page. And they've just launched that Facebook page. And they're giving Pakistan to Nokia's resident. So the fact here is that you have to realize that the trends are changing. And there are so many entrepreneurs that we have covered in our magazine, in our website, and they all come up with something.
But what if we fail? If the company, are the companies willing to take us back into the?
Of course, failure क्या है? Failure, mistakes तो सब करते हैं. There is, again, the fear of failure is the only thing that holds us back. If we fear from failure, then we will never attempt. So you don't have to worry about it, and there's always space in the market.
Always position failure as experience.
It's exactly.
So is there an option for us to switch from industry and move to the marketing side, or we're unsure of that?
There is always an option, but again the question here is, MIS and marketing are two very, very distinctly different categories of business. MIS would generally entail information technology. Unless you are a part of an organization which is a marketing company and you get to an MIS department just for the initial phase, and then you maneuver yourself through intelligently by getting yourself and become friends and pals with the right people in the marketing department, so that they can see you and then you can convince them, which is possible, but again not always easy to do, because you do get labeled. If I were to be working in the finance department and I would have interest in marketing, they would always have this preconceived notion that he's a numbers person.
No, but
MIS is all about the back end work, isn't it? It's not about the front end work.
So they expect you
To design an ad, to design a website, you can tell an ad agency to do that.
No, but they
You don't need to get an MIS graduate to design a
No, but
website.
they don't have it when they have their.
This is when we have
department.
smudged concepts about roles. This happens in Pakistan, and I'm not denying that fact. But let's be honest. When you say you're an MIS graduate, chances are that you're supposed to be able to, do program.
Can you load Windows 7 on my PC?
Well, that is also the menial part of that job, and the bigger part is website development, maybe CRM solutions, maybe specific issues. It could be related to marketing MIS. There could be specific marketing MIS department also. It's possible. Again, it's technical in nature. I really enjoyed this session. It was great talking to such brilliant people. There's a lot of hope for Pakistan when we have people like these, and we hope that they will grow and take bigger roles in life and take this country forward. I had a great time. I'm sure they had a great time, and you at home also enjoyed this session. Goodbye.